Let's now take you back to one of our top stories where we've seen witnessed with Prime Minister Modi drone Didis in action. These are women who've been empowered with the technology of drones and AI to usher in an agricultural revolution in the country, and that's what we're talking about with Anup Kumar Upadhyay, who's director and co-founder IoTech World Avigation. Good afternoon to you, Anup. I believe your company is in the field of drones, agricultural drones to be specific. Tell us about what kind of a change are these kind of drones coupled with AI ushering in as far as India's agriculture is concerned?
Good afternoon. Thanks for giving me an opportunity to talk to you. It is very beneficial for women empowerment in rural India specifically. Equipped, drone is like an aerial robot, right? It has all the advanced technology, whether it is a Google Map, whether it is a GPS, it is a radar technology, and we are sending data to the cloud. And when we use AI ML to find out the analytics, so by using drone, we are empowering our women to apply or to spray optimal amount of agri inputs, so that they become more empowerment and they earn a lot. So, and the productivity of our crop is also increases multifold, because when drone is flying, it is not entering into the field, right? So the research that we have done by implementing AI ML feature, we are able to increase the yield by 15%, and that's a very big margin.
1.5.
Yes, 1.5.
That sounds great. And in terms of the kind of efficiency that brings in, do labor costs also get reduced and overall expenses also come down?
Yes. So if you look at the labor, and most important is by using drone, we are spraying pesticides, in the crop fields, right? So pesticide is very harmful to the health of the farmer friends, right? So one of the benefit is you are not exposing your body directly to the pesticide. So there is a very big health benefit that comes to our farmer friends. Second thing is the productivity, the income, the farmer is going to get, there is no much dependency on the labor. And, when you try to implement AI ML feature, mission planning using Google Map, you are doing very precise spraying, so the overall efficiency increases a lot.
Okay, so what can we expect in terms of adaptation? How is that going? Because normally you've seen in the farming sector how farmers need to be shown what a particular technology can do, as was evident in the Green Revolution as well. But once they realize what the potential is, what kind of a transformative impact can it have on their incomes, they adapt very quickly. Is that what we're seeing in this case as well?
Yeah. So, the biggest. So, I would like to take opportunity to talk today about the Nari Shakti. Our biggest ambassador of drone technology is Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji. Today in the Nari Shakti, so drone is so intuitive. The GCS, the ground control station, using by which we use mission planning to plan how to spray in a field. It is very intuitive. Just by using software, you can easily plan using a Google Map. Even a 10th pass person, 12th pass person, even women, our Nari Shakti, they are flying the drone with a very simple use. Today, it was quite evident when Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, he has seen 1,000 drone flying across India, and that too by only women. So you can understand where the technology has gone. So drone is a aerial robot, and look at the farmer. There's a very big gap. But the technology has brought, the AI ML feature has brought, the software has brought this gap to a very minimal. So you see today our women, they are flying the drone. How I cannot describe more than how simple the software is to fly a drone.
Yes. I believe you give training as well to drone pilots, and some of these women are those drone pilots too. So tell us about that experience. Was it seamless, or did they initially hesitate? How good were they at taking this challenge on?
It's very exciting. It's very exciting. Even our Prime Minister is also very much fond of flying drone. Many a times you would have seen he participates a lot in drone discussion. He wants to see drone flying, and you would have seen like he also tried to fly the drone. It's very intuitive, very simple. Yes, IoTech World Navigation Private Limited, our company is pioneer in agriculture drone, and we are DGC approved. We are India's first DGC approved company, and we are very much focused in agriculture drone. So when we sell a drone, we have to also train the people how to fly the drone. What are the legal norms that they need to follow in India? So it's a big process. It's a 5 day, 10 days. RPTO is there where the people have to go, and then they have to understand how to fly. What are the different commands? What is the software that we use? How we are sending data to the cloud for analytics and all those things. So all this is part of training. So one training we call people in RPTO, Remote Pilot Training Organization. That is a DGC approved. It's a legal requirement. Then we also give OEM training. Also we go to their field, handhold them in their field, because sometimes what happens when people come to our office, they are not very much the actual field, we can see actual field in the urban areas. But when we go to their field in their rural area, because every village is different, India is full of a country of diversity, right? Every field, whether it is Rajasthan, Jammu and Kashmir, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, so India is a very big and very diverse culture, right? So when we go to their field, we experience whether there is a tree, there is an electric pole, there is a wire, and then we train our drone DDs to fly the drone in their field, so that there is no fear, So we go and handle in their field also.
Wonderful. And these drone DDs, are they also trained to handle some minor issues that might crop up in a drone? Some part might not be working well. Although I believe that your company is into making parts for your drones as well. You're into manufacturing them completely.
Yes. So IoTech World Navigation Private Limited is a drone manufacturer company. We are also making components like motor, propeller,
and you have a service
ESC
network as well.
Yes, we have a 30 dealer distributor service network across pan India. When we ask our pilots to come for training, we also give them first stage of training, like how to change the propeller, how to change the nozzle, how to rinse the tank, how to update the software, how to update the firmware. So first level of training, tier 1 training we give, so that they don't have to come here, because see, agriculture spraying is a very small window, narrow window, right? When there is a pest attack, you have only 1 week of time. Let us say, unfortunately, if your drone is down, you cannot afford to send drone to Delhi or to Lucknow.
Yes. For example, if those locusts come in, the tidda attack comes in, there won't be time.
Yeah, there is exactly, absolutely right. You have only very narrow window of 2-3 days where you have to go and spray the pesticide. Otherwise, they will spread like anything, So if imagine a situation due to some reason, if the drone is down and they send us, it's very difficult. So what we teach them is we have something called OTA, on the air update also. We take people, see nowadays internet is there, WhatsApp is there, we can do WhatsApp chat, we can call them, we can remote login, to diagnose the issue. If there is a propeller, we have service center across pan India. If they require a propeller, they can directly go and purchase from those nearby service center. So we have a very good network of after sale support maintenance network.
Great. Sounds great, and let's hope that this does usher in a new green revolution in the country, which is direly needed. Thanks a lot for joining us for the moment, Anu.
Definitely it is. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Namaskar.
Namaskar.